Another day, another sea of call logs. Here I am, trying to make sense of the numbers. First select, reception to support, then support to technical, technical to, extreme weather specialist? That's a new one. Wait, why is there a 5-minute gap here? Jeez, somebody come save my ass. My eyes are getting blurry. It's 21st century, dude. You better check this out. Guys, let's take a look. See what's the difference. This is how it looks before, and now we call it CDR laxy. And let's see what's the pain point. The pain point is, see, if you're trying to figure out the details for one of these conversations, what you're supposed to do is you have to use your mouse. You have to scroll down, you have to find it out, and you have to check all the details. Besides, not all the details can be found here, right? So the new solution, it looks way much better. Let me show you. We can simply click on CDR Advanced. And yes, that's what it's called, Advanced. And now, let me give you an example. Let's see, we have this CDR. Let's check the details. It looks totally different. So this time, the whole conversation, the whole process will be completely posted right on this interface. Everything will be visualized. And if you're having this recording for that conversation, it's also captured here, visualized. And besides that, you know what? If you want to figure out exactly when did we just have the conversation, when did we have a call transfer, or we just hold the call, everything will be visualized. So you don't have to waste your time to listen to the whole recording. That sounds better. And the other thing is the whole timeline. It's right over here. For example, we got this leg 1. We also got the AI summary enabled. If you want to check the AI transcription, over here, all the details completely posted here. And right on your right hand here, you guys can also see we have call time breakdown. So this one will be more straightforward. You can figure out exactly what's the duration for the total conversation for this total call, and also what's the duration for the routing, what's the duration for handling. It's very straightforward. That's exactly what it is. And last but not the least, on your left hand here, all the details, just like he said, streamlined, will be posted here. You can easily to figure out what's the ID for this call, what's the time, who is the caller, who is the callee, and also what was happening there, right over here. So what are you waiting for, guys? Upgrade your system, give it a try there. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it.